Hi everyone, Mata here. Let's dive straight into this smoky brown eyeshadow tutorial. So first off, I went in with my Kairat gel liner, the brown one, and I placed that gel liner on her eyelid. Next up, you want to use a fluffy brush to make sure you blend out that brown gel liner. Make sure you when applying on her eyelid, apply it gently. Then before you go in straight with the brush, just blend in thoroughly to give you that brown smoky effect. Now I'll just go straight in with my go-to palette, CPD Better Than Chocolate. Just as you know, we're achieving a brown smoky effect, and this palette is just the right eyeshadow palette for the game. I'll just go ahead and use that brown I pointed out and take my brush to blend in on that beautiful gel liner. So just make sure you blend in thoroughly before we move into the next shade. For the next, we'll be using this shade, that maroon shade, and we'll just go ahead and just blend it into the smoky brown we have already. Make sure you blend it in circular motion. You don't want to have any harsh lines. Just blend and blend thoroughly into each other. Now just go straight in with my setting powder to create that sharp edges. Yes, or that sharp edge rather. I'll just use my setting powder and my powder puff to create that sharp edge. My other fave, Cindy's Pop Me Shadow Primer. I'll just go straight in and apply this on her crease with a different shadow brush, and I'll just make sure I apply this gently. Up next, I'll be using this Nudes Happy Bridal palette by Annie's Beauty. Their shadow palette, all of it, they're all beautiful, and I'll just go straight ahead to apply these on my eyeshadow base. So before I did that, I made sure that I went in and blended my eyeshadow primer before I will now go in with the shade I'm going to use from that Happy's Bridal palette. I'll just go straight in and just dab on my shadow primer. You can see how beautiful this is looking already, and their shadow palettes are very pigmented, very pigmented. You will love it. Try get yourself one Annie's Beauty shadow palette. Bridal, I mean, they have different types. Drama Queen, there's a lot. So go check them out. I'll just make sure that I put this on the crease and make sure that I'm blending it out thoroughly. I just went in straight with my blending brush to just make sure that I sink in those colors together to avoid any harsh lines on my eyeshadow. Now we'll go straight in with her carrot gel liner for her eyeliner on her, and for her waterline as well. Just take your time to apply your eyeliners, because when you make mistakes it can be difficult to really amend. Yeah, so I mean, why go through that stress when you could just be careful, right? I mean, though no one is above mistake, but yeah, so just take your time to apply your gel liner. And you guys see that beauty? Are you seeing that? And I just went straight ahead to put my lashes. Yes, I did that off camera. I just went straight ahead to put her eyelashes and make sure that she is comfortable with the lashes. And you guys see that beautiful shadow? If you know you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and turn on post notifications. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See that beauty? I'll be posting the full tutorial for this look on my next video, so stay tuned guys. Bye.